Evening, how are we doing? This is what we're going to use tonight. So there you go, lovely lather. In case you didn't catch it from the pictures, I thought I'd try pictures tonight instead of video footage, just to see how it worked. I'm playing with this shorter format. There will still be longer format videos, but I'm playing with the shorter format, sorry. So the soap for tonight is Kerkini 2019 limited edition buffalo milk and tallow from Greece. It's a lightly scented cologne type of scent. And we've lathered up with a Maseto 30mm finest badger. The razor for tonight, I have the stainless version of this razor, and I recently acquired the Aluminium. And that razor is the Colonial Razors General V1. That's an alpha shaving handle, and in the razor there is a Kepkinh mild Titan. Sounds like a superhero. Don't worry, Kepkinh mild Titan is going to come and rescue you. It's a bloody razor blade, right? So single edge razor on an aluminium razor, single edge. Very, very light. This whole razor, the stainless version, the head weighs more than this razor does with the handle. The head's 19 grams. The total weight is about 47 grams. For the Americans, there's 25 grams to an ounce. I'll let you do the math. You would think, with it being so light, that it would bounce, but akin to the stainless general, it just gets down to work. And does its job admirably. So Friday night, OSP sale cancelled. James messaged me this morning, telling me he was going to have to delay for a week because some of the essential oils for the fragrances hadn't turned up. Waited a year, 18 months, 2 years since he stopped, can't remember when it was. Another week's not going to hurt anybody, is it? It would no doubt piss a few people off, including James. From conversations I've had with him, I think he was quite looking forward to returning to the wet shaving brotherhood, so to speak, as some people would say. That was an electronic cigarette. Don't knock that over, that cost a lot of money. Slickers, Up there with the best of them. This soap, excuse me. Not sponsored by, but Cotterberg cider, strawberry and lime. Quite refreshing for the heat. Yeah, slickness on this soap is, it's up there with Ariana and Evans. Just like it's small artisan Greek. I believe that the buffalo milk and the tallow come from the same herd, so it goes from the field, the pasture, to the plate, and onto the face, and into the stomach. For those that like a bit of beef. But like I said the other night, it's most modern soaps, it's quite hard. You don't get many bad ones. You might not like the scent. Scent is subjective. I tried this blade in a couple of times in my feather shavette. Horrible. Just not for me. Don't know why. But in single edges, it works really well. Yeah, I tried it. First time I thought, is it me? No. Second time was exactly the same, it just felt rough and horrible. Don't know why. Pardon me, cider belch. Plenty of slickness. Obviously this soap was a limited edition, but he now does, I think it's Georgios, the owner, so retails through Etsy. There will be a link below to his store. He does many scents, or a few scents, or he did anyway last time I checked. And part of the reason for using the Maseto tonight was try and use some soap up. I've got loads of the stuff, I need to try and burn through it. This brush is probably the equivalent of a chubby 3 in size. You can see yourself the size of the display on the knot. Never really shed a hair since it arrived. You can see that's 3 passes in and we've still got the General was available in brass as well, the V1. Which now with the steel and the aluminium is the only one I haven't tried. However, if you're looking for a single edge Okay, it's not the latest and greatest in the hype stakes. I wish I could shave my chin like that, I tell you. Done. Not even going to bother picking up. However, I'm going to have a face wash. See you in a minute. Anyhow, enough of that bollocks. Time for a drink. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.